Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So currently in Google Chrome in the stable version, newly installed extensions, when you install them, hide by default under the extensions menu, which is also known as the puzzle piece icon. And that's a default action in the browser when you install a new extension. And if you want to add it to your toolbar, you have to manually click one of them and say pin to toolbar, and then it pins it to your toolbar. Now, this seems like it's all set to change because in Chrome Canary, which I currently have open on my desktop, which is an early preview version, there's a new setting that controls whether new extensions automatically pin their icon to your main browser toolbar when you install them. So if we just head into Manage Extensions in Canary, here you'll see a new setting. Pin new extensions to toolbar, which is on by default. So because this is on, and when enabled, whenever you install a new Chrome extension from the web store, its icon will automatically appear on the toolbar next to your address bar. So just to demonstrate, let's just head over to the Chrome web store and choose any random extension. There we go, add to Chrome. And you'll see now that's placed that automatically in the toolbar and not inside the extension menu, which I do think is a nice move because I like it when we get choice. And I think this will be handy because when it is on, if you frequently install extensions in one-click access without having to open the puzzle piece menu every time, then I think this is a handy feature to have, as I've just demonstrated. And obviously, if you prefer a clean, uncluttered toolbar and like choosing which extension icons get dedicated space on the toolbar, then obviously you can turn that off. And this has just become available in Chrome Canary as a default feature. And I personally think it will make its way down to the stable version. I don't see why it wouldn't. I think it's nice when we get choice. And obviously when that happens, I'll post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.